In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to place new pages exactly where you want them in your design without having to shuffle things around later. Start by opening your project in the Canva editor. Along the bottom of the screen, you'll see a row of page thumbnails. These are the pages in your current design. This strip is your page manager, and it's where you'll add, view, and reorder pages. If you don't see it immediately, try scrolling down slightly in the editor or maximizing your browser window so the page thumbnails are visible. To add a brand new page at the end of your project, move your cursor to the rightmost side of that thumbnail strip. You'll notice an empty gray thumbnail with a plus sign. That plus sign is your Add Page button. Click it once, and Canva will create a fresh, blank page and append it to the end of your project. This is the quickest way to keep adding pages in sequence, especially useful when you're building a slide deck or a multi-page document from start to finish. The new page will be empty, so you can begin designing immediately. If you want to add a page directly next to an existing page, so you don't have to reorder anything later, use the context menu. Hover over the page where you want the new one to appear, right-click on that thumbnail, and select Add Page. Canva will insert a new blank page to the right of the one you selected. This method is perfect when you're working on a series of related pages and want to keep them together, such as duplicating a layout concept or maintaining a flow without dragging pages around afterward. Keep in mind, both methods create a clean, blank page. If you're working within a template, the new page will adopt that project's default size and settings, so everything remains consistent. If you accidentally add a page in the wrong place, you can drag its thumbnail to reorder it or use undo to step back. That's it. Two simple ways to add pages. Click the plus sign at the far right to append a page, or right-click any thumbnail and choose Add Page to insert one immediately to its right. Use the approach that matches your workflow, and you'll keep your projects organized and easy to navigate.